Summer nights are right with you, boy, I'm giving you all I got. Don't fight it, right, I'm cute. I'll meet you in the parking lot. What you waiting for? Got your jack in the back and I'm not gonna wait, no, no, no more. We're ready, never gonna stop. You got the best boy, better than the rest, boy. You got the best boy, that's a fact. You got the best boy, better than the rest, boy. You got the best boy, don't turn back. You got the best boy, better than the rest, boy. You got the best boy, that's a fact. So we're just applying a very light green onto her eyelid. Make sure to get it all over her lid for a very green look. And then in the crease, we're going to go in with an even darker green. Because nature, you know, green. Then in the corner, we're going to go in with a nice brown. Make sure to get it all over the place up here. Then for her cheeks, you want to apply some blush. And then since we're doing a very natural, earthy look, you want bronzer to make her look dirty. We're just applying kind of where you would put bronzer, but a little bit more dramatic. You want it to frame her face with the brown. For your cheeks, you want a nice healthy glow with a nice highlight. Because this is a very natural look, we're going to put some leaves and even flowers and branches on her face. You just want to put it around her cheek, kind of just work your way up to here. Make sure that it sticks. Work your way up onto her forehead with the leaves. You want to make sure that the glue dries a little bit so it becomes tacky and the leaves will stick. So you just want to continue along, working your way up to her forehead. Make sure you kind of just frame around her face. In every look, you need to have your eyebrows done. So for this one, we're just applying some twigs. To make this look a little bit more girly, we're going to apply some flowers to her face. Put them in the leaves. Put this one right here. A little hint of girliness. Our look is now complete with eyebrow branches, detail of the leaves and the flowers on her face, a nice bronzy color to her cheeks and face.
The more like Kesha, the better.
So what should I just go down your shirt? Eyelashes. This stuff is strong too.
Maybe if I hold it and blood bugs don't fly down my shirt.
So we're just gonna work her. We also picked some kind of curved little twigs to help, you know, just give the look of